Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cut a facing for a dress or a top. So you go ahead and place the part you've cut out from the neckline on a fresh fabric. You go ahead and pin the sides so it doesn't move. Then you go ahead and cut out the exact same thing. After cutting out the exact same thing, you go ahead and just ensure that it doesn't move also by pinning it together. And then you go ahead and measure how long you want the facing to be. If you want the facing to be longer, maybe 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, depends on you. I'm using 3.5 inches here, so I'll go ahead and mark 3.5 inches round and then cut out, and then I have my facing. So after doing this is for a v-neck, just showing you how to cut for a v-neck. You can also do this for a round neck, also depends on what you want to do. I'll also show you how to do it for a U-shaped neckline, which is the other neckline I'm using for this particular clothes. And if you haven't seen the video on how I made this dress, you should check that video out on how I made this simple dress. I used the v-neck and I also used the U-shaped neckline, so do well to watch that video. You then take it over to the machine. Make sure you pin it together so it doesn't move, and then you sew the facing to the neckline. You sew a straight stitch, and then you go ahead, open it up and give it and do a top stitch. This is to ensure that it stays flat and it doesn't move, it doesn't pop out from the neckline. So you see how it looks after fixing the facing. So the next thing I require to do is to join the necklines together, joining it at the shoulder. I just want to show you guys how everything comes together, both the front and the back. So go ahead and join the shoulder together. If this video has helped you in any way, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Also share with someone who is learning how to sew, a beginner sewist. Share this video so they can learn this simple way of making a facing for your dress or your top. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.